Are you ready? This is your final spelling test for term 3. So we have our 10 words. The last 2 words are from the 100 most used words. Okay? So make sure you've got the date on, which will be the 18th/9/2020. And your first word is fish swim in water. Write fish. Fish. Number 2. I hope we're not getting sick again. Write sick. Helping you now. Sick. Number 3. Car. I have a red car. Number 4. Let's go to the park. Write park. Number 5. The sky is a lovely blue today. Write sky. So let's check our first 5 words. Fish, sick, car, park, sky. Number 7. Other. This is my other mother. Other. Now number 7, you have your choice of the word. You can write win or you can write winner. So it's up to you this time. Win or winner. Number 8, it's a long road ahead. Long. Long. And number 9 and 10 are from your 100 most used words, and we practice this often. Number 9, said. I said to my friend, can you come to play? Said. Here's a little clue. It does not have an E in it. Even though E says et in lots of words, this does not have an E in it. Said. And lucky last, because. Because I said so, said Mum. Because. So let's go through 6 to 10. Other, win or winner, long, said, and because. Now check out the last picture, and if you can work out where these are from, you can seesaw me and let me know. Thanks everyone.